Compression connectors, also known as wedge-type connectors, are the most widely used and recommended method for bonding the grounding electrode conductor to a buried ground rod. They provide a high-quality, permanent connection that meets industry standards. The advantages of compression connectors are: firstly, they are approved for direct burial; secondly, they are designed to prevent loosening or corrosion; thirdly, they are quick and easy to install; and fourthly, they do not damage the conductor. Exothermic welds were traditionally used for bonding grounding electrode conductors to ground rods, but they have fallen out of favor in recent years. The disadvantages of exothermic welds are: firstly, they can damage the conductor, reducing its conductivity; secondly, they require specialized equipment and training; thirdly, they are more time-consuming and expensive to install; and fourthly, they can be affected by environmental factors. Inspectors have become wary of exothermic welds because of the potential for damage to the conductor. The high heat generated during the welding process can weaken the conductor and reduce its ability to conduct current. Other acceptable bonding methods include mechanical clamps. These are similar to compression connectors, but use bolts to mechanically clamp the grounding electrode conductor to the ground rod. Bell-level washers use spring-loaded washers to maintain a constant pressure connection. Grounding clamps are designed specifically for grounding applications and provide a secure, corrosion-resistant bond. Based on industry best practices and inspector concerns, compression connectors are the preferred method for bonding the grounding electrode conductor to a buried ground rod. They provide a reliable, durable connection without damaging the conductor.